Try this strategy for 1 month. Hi guys, and welcome back in today's video. Yesterday I was walking around the street doing some cardio since it's summer and I need to get shredded and lean. And I was listening to the Tai Lopez podcast, and there was a guy that was an expert on nutrition and health, and he advised to the people to write down every day what you eat. So at the end of the month, you do this for 1 month, 30 days, and then at the end of that month, you take your list and you write the number of the food that you eat. Maybe in 1 month you eat 10 donuts, only 1 apple, maybe 20 coffee, 10 hamburger, and 10 vegetables. And now you have your list, and you can see exactly what you ate. And at this point, you can realize that you eat maybe you eat a lot of fat or a lot of sugar, because if you see that in 30 days you drink 20 cola, it's too much, because your body don't need all that sugar. And this is an incredible thing, that if I can go back in time when I started my fitness journey, this was incredible, because now I know exactly what I eat, but at the time that I was starting, I don't know exactly what I was eating. And doing this strategy, you can exactly know what you eat and what you need to increase or decrease for the next month. Then when I returned home, I realized that this thing can be applied for everything in life, like the social life, the wealth, naturally the health. For money, it's the same thing. Every day, every time you spend a penny, you write down on the paper, or you can download. There is an app called Money Lover, that you can write everything, your expenses, and what you spent during your day. And at the end of the month, you can see exactly where your money went. If you spent a lot of money going to the club or disco, drinking, food, fun, you can see exactly where your money are. And for the next month, you can prepare yourself, because if you spent 500 bucks maybe eating junk food, you can reduce the cost of the junk food, and then you will improve your health. But if you see big numbers in proportion on what you earn every month, you need some changes, because if you earn maybe $4,000 a month and you spend 500 eating out at the bar or the restaurant, I think that it's too much. You need to decrease the cost of the restaurants or increase your money that you earn. In the social life, it can be the same thing. You can write down the name of the people that you spend time with, maybe family, your girlfriend, and the name of your friends, and then you write the time that you spend with that people. Maybe today I went to the swimming pool, it's 4 hours with the friends. And so doing this, you can see exactly how much time you spend with your friends. And for the next month, maybe you think I need to decrease the time that I spend with this person, because he or she don't help me in business, or it makes me no happy. Or simply you have your statistic of your social life, and you can see exactly what time you spend with your friends, and also the time that you spend with yourself, because this is very important, spending time with yourself, learning, and on just thinking, maybe you can sit down 10 minutes on your balcony, or you can go to walk, and only think for 10-15 minutes with some good relaxing music will increase your idea, your productivity, and you can a little bit refresh your brain. In simple words, take the notes of the phone or paper and pen, and start writing how much money you spend and where you spend, what you eat every day, if it's good or if it's not, and the name of the people that you spend time with. So at the end of every month you have 3 reports: the health, wealth and social, and you can see exactly where you spend and what you need to do better the next month. And I promise you that if you're doing this for 1 year, there are 12 changes every month, and there will be massive, very, very massive difference the next year, because you can save the reports, and maybe on April 2017 you spent a lot of time with a determined person, and in April 2018 maybe you don't even go out with that person because it's not a friend or a good people for you. I hope you guys find interesting this video, and you need to start today, or you may be thinking, nah, I'm starting the first of the next month. No, don't procrastinate. Start today. After watching this video, download the app or take your paper and start writing what you have spent, what you have eaten, and the people who you meet today. Hope you find interesting this video, and please like the video, comment below what's the main way that you spend money. Maybe it's for health or for business expenses or social life. And then subscribe to the channel, because I will provide you free tips on how to increase your quality life and how to run your business. See you in the next video.